Okay, so we've got a function that says 8 over x plus 4. And we're given an x value, which they called it a, and so there's two parts to this problem, and I'm gonna have to cut this video into little pieces because if I make it too long, then it won't upload, and I'm gonna have to talk kind of quickly, so please remember that you can go to settings and you can reduce the playback speed, okay? All right, so we have to find the derivative. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to identify the numerator, 8, and the denominator, x plus 4, and I'm going to separate it into two different functions. So I've got 8, and then I find the derivative of that, and that's 0 because it's a constant. And then I've got x plus 4, and the derivative of that is 1. And I'm not going to explain why that is right now. I'll have to do that in a separate video because it'll take too long and I won't be able to upload anything. Okay, so I'm going to use the quotient rule. In my mind, I always think of it as an x, and I always set up my numerator, denominator, and its corresponding derivatives that way. So it's going to be this times this minus this times this. It's always minus with the quotient rule. So here we go. And so then I do the math on that. This ends up being 0. This is negative 8, and 0 minus 8 is negative 8. So that is my derivative. Okay, next in part 2, we're going to take this a value and we are going to figure out the y value, the slope, and we're going to make the equation of a line.